Count the number of occurrences between markers in a Python list. I have a Boolean, numpy, array, and I want to count how many occurrences of true are between the falses, e.g. for a sample list. Should produce. My initial attempt was to try this snippet. But it keeps appending elements in ML for each f in the b_ list. Edit. Thank you all for your answers. Sadly, I can accept all the answers as correct. I've accepted Akaval's answer because he referred to my initial attempt. I know what I did wrong now, and also did a comparison between the marks and Ashwini's posts. Please don't take as a defined answer the accepted solution, since both the other suggestions introduce alternative methods what work equally well.
Your original try has some problems. You probably want something like this. Result. This solution runs surprisingly fast.
itertools.groupb provides one easy way to do this.
Using numpy. Can't say that this is the best numpy solution, but it is still faster than itertools.groupb. As at just half and at Mark Dickinson pointed out in comments, the above code will not work in some cases, so you need to append false on both ends first.